The moment you see this stunning 2027 glossy camper tricycle rolling down the road, it honestly feels like something from the future mixed with pure cozy living. It's compact, stylish, futuristic, and somehow manages to look luxurious while sitting on just 3 wheels. And the craziest part? This tiny home can literally follow you anywhere. Mountains, forests, beaches, hidden countryside roads. This little machine turns every trip into an adventure. At first glance, the glossy exterior instantly grabs attention. Vehicle. While the curved futuristic body gives it an almost spaceship-like appearance. People stop and stare because this doesn't look like a normal camper. It looks like the future of mobile living. Every angle feels carefully designed, from the aerodynamic front to the compact rear storage setup. It's tiny, but it has a massive personality. And once the doors open, that's where things become unbelievable. Inside this camper tricycle tiny home is a warm, cozy space that somehow feels bigger than expected. Soft ambient lighting wraps around the interior, creating this relaxing atmosphere that instantly makes you want to stay inside forever. The seating area transforms into a comfortable sleeping space, while smart hidden storage compartments make sure every inch is used perfectly. This isn't just transportation anymore. This is freedom on wheels. Imagine waking up beside a peaceful lake with rain tapping softly on the roof. You slide open the side window, make a fresh cup of coffee, and watch the sunrise without needing a hotel, expensive resort, or crowded campsite. That's the beauty of this 2027 glossy camper tricycle. It gives you the ability to escape everyday stress whenever you want. What makes this camper even more exciting is how practical it actually is. Unlike huge RVs that struggle on small roads and tight parking spaces, this compact tricycle camper can fit almost anywhere. Narrow roads? No problem. Tiny camping spots? Easy. Busy city streets? Surprisingly manageable. It combines the freedom of a motorcycle with the comfort of a tiny luxury home. And let's talk about the design details because they are absolutely next level. The glossy metallic finish reflects city lights beautifully at night, making the camper look cinematic wherever it goes. Futuristic LED strips glow softly around the exterior, giving it that premium 2027 concept vehicle vibe. The wheels are designed for stability and comfort, while the sleek windshield adds both style and protection during long rides. Even parked, this camper looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. But what really keeps people obsessed is the feeling this tiny home creates. There's something special about owning less while experiencing more. Instead of being stuck in one place, this camper lets you chase new views every single day. One night you're parked near snowy mountains. The next you're beside the ocean listening to waves crash outside your tiny home. That lifestyle feels impossible until you see a camper like this actually making it real. And even though it's compact, it still includes modern comforts people love. Small kitchenette setup? Check. Cozy sleeping area? Absolutely. Smart storage? Everywhere. Charging ports, lighting controls, ventilation systems. Everything feels modern and efficient without ruining the minimalist vibe. The best part is how affordable this lifestyle could become compared to traditional travel. Hotels, flights, and expensive vacations add up fast. But with a camper tricycle tiny home like this, your transportation and cozy living space move together. That means more adventures, more freedom, and fewer limits. You can already imagine the reactions this glossy camper gets at every stop. People pulling out phones for photos. Travelers asking questions. Kids thinking it's some futuristic invention from a movie. It's impossible not to notice something this unique. And honestly, vehicles like this may completely change how people think about travel in the future. Bigger isn't always better anymore. Smart, compact, mobile living is becoming more exciting than giant homes and oversized RVs. This camper proves that comfort and adventure can exist in a tiny, futuristic package. Now, picture driving this through winding mountain roads during sunset. The glossy body reflecting golden light. Music playing softly inside. Everything you need traveling right behind you. No schedules. No hotel check-ins. Just pure freedom. That's why this 2027 glossy camper, tricycle, tiny home feels so addictive to watch. It's not only about the design or technology. It's about the dream lifestyle it represents. Simplicity, adventure, comfort, and total freedom combined into one stunning machine. And honestly, if this is what the future of tiny homes looks like, the future looks absolutely incredible. If you could take this futuristic camper tricycle anywhere in the world, where would your first destination be? Drop your dream road trip location in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic campers, tiny homes, and incredible homes on wheels.